Struggling with anemia? Discover the top 10 symptoms and powerful herbs to fight it. Plus, easy home recipes to boost your iron. Watch now and reclaim your energy. Feeling unusually tired or weak due to low oxygen levels in the body. Skin appears lighter than usual because of reduced blood flow and hemoglobin. Difficulty breathing, especially during physical activity, due to insufficient oxygen supply. Feeling lightheaded or unsteady, often when standing up quickly from low blood pressure or oxygen. Extremities feel cold due to poor circulation and reduced oxygen delivery to tissues. Frequent headaches caused by the brain receiving less oxygen than needed. Heart palpitations or a racing pulse, as the heart works harder to pump oxygen-poor blood. Nails become weak, brittle, or spoon-shaped due to iron deficiency affecting tissue health. Pain or tightness in the chest from the heart struggling to supply oxygen to the body. Difficulty focusing or thinking clearly due to reduced oxygen reaching the brain. So, which herbs can we use to anemia? Here are some sample recipes. But first, if you found the video useful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Nettle rich in iron and vitamins. It boosts hemoglobin levels. Boil water. Add dried nettle leaves. Steep for 10 minutes. Strain and drink. Sauté onion and garlic. Add chopped nettle leaves and broth. Simmer for 15 minutes. Blend and serve. Blend nettle leaves with banana, spinach, and water until smooth, then drink. Blend nettle leaves, garlic, nuts, olive oil, and parmesan until smooth. Use as a spread. Steep dried nettle leaves in hot water overnight, strain, and sip throughout the day. Dandelion. High in iron, it enhances the body's ability to absorb this mineral. Boil water, add dried dandelion root, steep for 15 minutes, strain, and drink. Toss fresh dandelion greens with olive oil, lemon juice, and nuts, then serve. Blend dandelion greens with apple and water, strain, and drink fresh. Sauté onion. Add dandelion greens and broth. Simmer for 20 minutes. Blend and serve. Steep dandelion root and nettle leaves in water overnight, strain, and drink. Spinach. Packed with iron and folate, it supports red blood cell production. Blend spinach, banana, and orange juice until smooth, then drink. Sauté garlic, add spinach and broth. Simmer for 15 minutes. Blend and serve. Toss spinach with olive oil, lemon juice, and seeds, then serve fresh. Sauté spinach with garlic and soy sauce in oil for 5 minutes, then serve. Blend spinach with apple and water, strain, and drink fresh. Beetroot. Rich in iron and folate, it stimulates red blood cell production. Blend chopped beetroot, strain, add lemon juice, and drink fresh. Toss chopped beetroot with olive oil, vinegar, and nuts, then serve. Sauté onion, add chopped beetroot and broth, simmer for 20 minutes, blend, and serve. Blend beetroot with apple and yogurt until smooth, then drink. Blend cooked beetroot with garlic, yogurt, and olive oil, then serve with bread. Moringa. High in iron, it helps increase red blood cell count. Boil water, add dried moringa leaves, steep for 10 minutes, strain, and drink. Blend moringa leaves with banana and milk until smooth, then drink. Sauté garlic, add moringa leaves and broth, simmer for 15 minutes, and serve. Mix moringa powder with honey and water, stir well, and drink. Toss moringa leaves with olive oil, lemon juice, and seeds, then serve. Yellow dock contains iron and aids in iron absorption from other foods. Boil water, add dried yellow dock root, steep for 15 minutes, strain, and drink. Steep yellow dock root in water overnight, strain, and sip throughout the day. Simmer yellow dock root with honey and water for 20 minutes, cool, and store. Steep yellow dock root and nettle leaves in hot water overnight, strain, and drink. Toss yellow dock leaves with olive oil and vinegar, then serve fresh. Parsley high in iron and vitamin C, it enhances iron absorption. Boil water, add fresh parsley, steep for 10 minutes, strain, and drink. Blend parsley with apple and water until smooth, then drink. Toss parsley with olive oil, lemon juice, and nuts, then serve. Blend parsley, garlic, nuts, and olive oil until smooth. Use as a spread. Blend parsley with cucumber and water, strain, and drink fresh. Alfalfa. Rich in iron and nutrients, it supports blood production. Boil water, add dried alfalfa leaves, steep for 10 minutes, strain, and drink. Blend alfalfa sprouts with banana and milk until smooth, then drink. Toss alfalfa sprouts with olive oil and vinegar, then serve fresh. Sauté onion, add alfalfa sprouts and broth, simmer for 15 minutes, and serve. Steep dried alfalfa leaves in water overnight, strain, and sip throughout the day. Ginger improves circulation and aids iron absorption. Boil water, add fresh ginger slices, steep for 10 minutes, strain, and drink. Blend ginger with apple and spinach until smooth, then drink. Sauté ginger and garlic, add broth and veggies, simmer for 20 minutes, and serve. Mix grated ginger with honey, stir well, and take a spoonful daily. Blend ginger with water and lemon, strain, and drink fresh. Dong Quai. Nourishes blood and increases hemoglobin levels. Boil water, add dried dong quai root, Steep for 15 minutes, strain, and drink. Steep dong quai root in water overnight. Strain and sip throughout the day. Sauté onion. Add dong quai root and broth. Simmer for 20 minutes and serve. Steep dong quai root and ginger in hot water overnight. Strain and drink. Pulse simmer dong quai root with honey and water for 20 minutes. Cool and store. You can subscribe to not miss our new upcoming videos.